Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Start by setting up a clean workspace and wear gloves for safety. Supervise children closely and avoid ingestion at all times. Gather materials from your bathroom and home supply before starting. You will need 1/2 cup white glue and 1/2 cup water to mix first. Add 1/2 teaspoon baking soda to stabilize texture and a few drops of food coloring. Keep a bowl of warm water and paper towels nearby for spills. Pour 1/2 cup white glue into a bowl and add 1/2 cup water. Stir until uniform and then add 1/2 teaspoon baking soda to the mixture. Drop in a few drops of food coloring or glitter if you want color. Slowly add 1 tablespoon contact lens solution while stirring to activate the slime. When it pulls away from the bowl, knead with clean hands until not sticky. Store your finished slime in an airtight container to keep it soft. If you lack glue, try the shampoo method using bathroom products. Pour 1/2 cup thick shampoo into a bowl and add 1 tablespoon water. Mix vigorously until smooth and then sprinkle in 1 teaspoon salt slowly. Keep stirring and pressing the mixture until it thickens and pulls away from the bowl. Knead gently and refrigerate for 10 to 15 minutes to firm the texture. Stop using the slime and discard it if anyone develops skin irritation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.